Hello, my beautiful Fumination. How are you, my darlings? Have you guys joined the exclusive membership of Fumination with our beautiful heart fire emoji? Go right ahead and join, my darlings. YouTube told me that, Fumi, you know what? You can have your Fumination community try and get this thing going. And I was like, why not? Do we love the beat? Well, I'm using Colored Rain. Colored Rain is like... They came out with the Queen Bee. I love it, and it's a gorgeous collection. I showcased it in the previous episode. I'm going to show you everything because I also uploaded it on Instagram. It had the palette. Voila, let me just show you. It had the gorgeous, fabulous palette. I'm living for it. I put a little bit of orange onto the cheeks. They've got their lippies as well, which I lived and loved. I was like, oh my God, Colored Rain. Very, very orangey, very rust, living for it. As well as pencils, and I'm just using the navy blue in the corners of my eyes. Do we love the hair, my darling? Isn't it giving us Anita Baker, huh? Sweet love. I live for her. Oh my God. Ask your mama. Ask about Anita Baker. We loved her. She was so fabulous, and she had this swish of her hair. I think the hair was short, and then she had the crown of hair right in front of the face here. I decided just to curl my hair, play up a little bit. Yup, yup, yup. Anyway, a lot of you sent me in my DMs. You know, I always say it's my channel, but my God, it is absolutely your show. Adrian runs the show in this house. You run the show on this channel, and I love it exactly like that. I wore this t-shirt in the last episode. What was I showcasing? Oh, frenemies. How to spot a frenemy. You guys loved it too, and a lot of you were saying, oh my God, for me, there are some family member frenemies, there are some in-law frenemies. Frenemies are all over the place, but if they're too toxic to you, they gotta go. Anyway, wait, somebody's calling me. Oh, they have to wait. I wore this t-shirt. Love it, because it just has that scoop right there, and your shoulders are free. It's nice and sexy in the back, and you can have a full panel in the back, but the scoop of the shoulder and the armpit is all the way out. And all of you kept on asking me, Fumi, we live for what you're wearing, and we live for the way that you are showing your shoulders, and we can see some kind of support for those limousine girls that you have. What is the bra hack for this kind of top? So I decided this is casual day. When you're going out, you can wear your jeans, you can wear your little flip-flops, go for your errands, go for a drink for your friends. And then when you want to go out at night, you still want to have that gorgeous bare shoulder. Are we living, or are we living? So I decided to wear this to give you a fabulous example. Now, you know that I'm coming out with my bras. Darling, the Atelier. Oh my God. It took me forever to find her, but I found her. I love her. We're going step by step. So anyway, I'm coming out with all kinds of goodies for you. In the meantime, if you want to have this kind of cold shoulder, you can use these beautiful little clasps. Fumi, what are these? These, my darlings, you can use in the front of your bra. You can use in the back of your bra. You can bring the two straps together. That way, you don't have to buy another bra. It doesn't have to be so expensive. Go onto Amazon, go onto Google. They will most probably be there. They're kind of extinct. That's why I'm going to bring them back. I'm going to make them bigger. I'm going to make them flatter and longer, so that for those girls that have broad shoulders, and I love a chick with a broad shoulder, honey, you don't have to stress. I'm going to make this elongated so that you don't have to like really stretch and pull your bra straps together. But these are what I use. These are what I use. Super handy for a multitude of things. But this was what I was wearing in the last episode. And now, my darlings, I'm going to ask my darling Ula to undo this blouse for me so that you can see how I have it placed in my bra underneath. Ula, can you come, honey? Oh God, you can get these in Amazon. I have lots and lots and lots of them. For my club members, I will send you some of these. If you want, I'll send you some. Darling, can you undress me? For my beautiful Fumi. Babe. I'm ready. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Slide down.
And let it slide down. There you go. Yes. This is an educational video. Thank you. And here you have it. That is exactly what I did. I'm going to take it off and I'll put it back on so that you can see exactly how this thing went down. So it's in the middle. I don't know whether you can see it. I'll use a white one next time. You take it out from the middle and there's your bra. You take it from the middle again and that is the clip. So do you see the angle? Not this way, but this way. Let me use a white one. So you put your bra straps in here. The left goes to the left, the right goes to the right. I'm going to push that in. Can you see? I push that in. So there, I got it. Loosen your bra strap to give you more space. Can you see I've lost weight? I'm living for it. The girls are parting ways. Parting of the seas. And then you put into the next one and you can bring it up or you can bring it low, depending on how you want it. And there, my darling, you can wear any kind of top and it will look gorgeous. You can also do the same in the back. Yes, my darlings, you can do the same in the back. You can get somebody to help you place it in the back like I have done for you in the front. The bras that I'm bringing for you are so uniquely designed. These are things that I have looked for years and I could not find them. And I said, you know what, Fooms? I know in my heart. If I'm looking for them, these girls are also looking for them. I want you to be dressed beautifully. I want you to have all of your underpinnings appropriately placed. It is never the size. I want my beautiful limousine girls to understand. It's not the size. I'm big busted too. It really is the underpinnings. And I'm so grateful that I modeled for as long as I did. And at the very beginning, I used to model for newspapers. You know when you open your newspapers and you see like a lingerie article, they're selling bras and stuff. That was me. That was how I made my rent in the beginning in New York, circa 1995, 94, 95. That's how I started. I paid attention because I was curious and I was like, oh wow, so this is how they do it. And I'm going to have structured underwears for you, for your tummy. I am going to do it for your hips. Yes, for the panties that cut in the inside of your thigh. Girlfriend, you don't deserve to go through that kind of stress. I'm going to put satin right there so that you have the elastication on the hip, and that way what? The panty doesn't dig into your thighs and then you can see it on the outside of your beautiful dress. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Women are butterflies. We are so beautiful. When I go to church and I see all of us, no matter the age, in our beautiful dresses, in our church hats, I am so honored to be a woman. I think it's so much fun being a woman. And I love to be feminine. I love to get dressed. I love to wear beautiful, flowy dresses. Sometimes I want to wear leather. Sometimes I want to jazz it up. But I want to dress up. And I don't want at any point in time to be felt insecure because I can't find the correct underpinnings. So that's why I'm here. I think this is my mission. And that's what we're working with. So, darlings, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful hack. I've got all kinds. I've got also a brown one. Let me just put, well, a beige. Let me just take it out so that you can see. It's so easy. So easy. This is the center. And then you just push your strap right in. And then you push the second strap in. And there you go. It's gorgeous, and you can have black, you can have white, and like I said, there you go. Mama's lost. I've lost 14 pounds and I'm feeling sexy. I can feel my shoulders coming out, my waist coming in. When I tell you, Ula is like, we got some time before we pick up Adrian. Don't mind him. But we love it in this house. We love. Okay, now before I go, I want to show you. Jaclyn Hill came out with what? Some bronzers. She came out with some bronzers. Go ahead, Jaclyn Hill, with your bad self. And so I'm going to open this for you here. It's always nice to have a little unboxing. And then just look at what this girl is working with. Are we not living? Are we not loving? You got lips, you've got highlighters, lip glosses down here, highlighters and bronzers. It's the bronzers I want to show you, and it's the highlighters because the lip glosses are all clear. They're fabulous. She has done a fabulous job when it comes to the doe fur. To the dofer, fantastic. What do you mean by the dofer, Fumi? That's the lip right here. This part right here. It's big and it's nice and it's fun. There you go. Lip glosses, fantastic. I live and I absolutely love. Then of course we have what? The bronzers. And look at the shades. She did fantastic. Oh, it smells like coffee. Does it smell like coffee? Does it smell like chocolate? Just look. Just look. I just wanted to show you guys. And let me bring out the other one because we're going to try this out. There we go. There we go. So we got a little bit of red. We got a little bit of honey. And then we've got a cool tone, which is a dark chocolate. Alrighty. So this is the cool tone. Yeah. So let me see how this works. I love it. I love it. Can you see, guys? Ooh. That's it. Give me some cheese. The cheekbones are popping out because I've lost weight. So it's giving me some kind of fabulosity right here. Let me put some underneath. I live. I love. I love, love, love. And then let's try some chocolate, some urban honey. And I'll put that a little bit onto the cheek right here. Yes, this is nice. This is nice. Oh, yeah. Yes. I've got the fan on today because it's super, super hot. And then we got this light one here. And then let me just, yeah. Yeah, I love it. Let me put some. She did the bronze as well. Okay, now she got some highlighters. So I'm going to press those ones back and let us see what the highlighters are saying. So we got this one, super, super. And then we got this one, which is rather white. We got that kind of honey. And then we got this one, which is like a gold. I want a rose. Okay, let me go for this one. So let's see what this gives us. Because I love rose. Okay. Yes. Yes. Are we living? Oh, yes. That works for me. Congratulations, Jack. Oh, yes. Are we cute? Are we adorable? I live. I love. All right, darling. So like I said, join the club, join the exclusive group. From here on in, that's why I wanted to show you the PR. What's this? Is this glitter? No, it's not. I'm going to start giving away to my clubbies. Yep, I'm going to start giving away to my clubbies because I can't keep all of the PR. It doesn't make sense. So as I get PR, I'm going to give out to my clubbies. Okay? I love, love, love this. I hope you enjoyed the episode. I forgot to get dressed. I forgot to get dressed. Well, what can I tell you since I've come this far? I hope you enjoyed the episode, my darlings. Don't forget to like, to leave all of your comments there, and to subscribe and share. I hope you enjoyed the episode, my darlings. I live I live and I love you. Look at how comfortable, you know, because you know what it is. I've come to this stage where I feel like I'm sitting, you guys are in and with me, you know, at home, and we're sharing all of these fun tips and everything. So that's how I feel, honestly. All of my love, darlings. I'll see you in the next episode. Mwah. Yeah. Jaclyn did that. She's trying. She's doing a good job. Bless her heart. She really is. And the lip gloss is nice. It really is. Hola! I'm done, baby.